everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Dix credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Dix Sporting Goods is a retail company that sells sporting goods and equipments. They offer a store card called the Dix Sporting Goods Credit Card. If you want to log into your Dix credit card online, then here's how to do it. Open up a web browser of your choice and in the search box, type in dsg.syf.com and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. You can log into your Dix credit card account by entering your account details in the text boxes. Your Dix credit card is issued by Synchrony Bank, so you'll end up in this page. Go ahead and enter your user ID in the first text box that appears on the screen and type in your password on the next field. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials on this particular device, tap on Remember User ID at the bottom. But if you don't want to do that, leave it unchecked. If you've forgotten your user ID or your password, tap on Forgot User ID or the password link and follow through the on-screen prompts. After filling in all of the details, tap on the Secure Login button in order to get access to your Dix credit card online. That is how you can easily log into your Dix credit card. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.